Hello guys, this is SANDISO COSSA. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's video, we're gonna learn how to take best awesome pictures just using our smartphone. Yes, you heard me very well, just smartphone. I'm having 5 tips for you. So without wasting any time, let's jump on. Tip number 1, clean the lens. Yes, it might sound quite obvious, right? But you must always make sure the lens is clean, since we're always having our smartphones in our pocket, so it's easy for them to get dirty, sometimes with our fingerprints on. So make sure you wipe them off, because this can actually cause hazy images and can be quite difficult for you to remove on post-production or while editing. So make sure your lens is always clean. Tip number 2, lighting. Lighting is everything when it comes to photography. Make sure you understand lighting. I really recommend to shoot between sunrise and sunset, also known as golden hour. In that time, you can actually get possible results. While shooting though, you don't actually need to be on an expensive light also to get nice images. You can actually use your free light from your window. If it's quite harsh, just close down the curtains. It will be diffused a bit, then that can actually give you a soft look on your skin. Tip number 3, grid lines. Grid lines are actually lines that helps you to balance your image. Depending on the smartphone you're using, go to camera settings, make sure it's on, and every time when you take your picture, actually it's known as rule of thirds. Try by all means have your subject face it's either on the left or on the right side. By having them, they can actually make boring images. Make sure you always use grid lines. Tip number 4, angles. Never be afraid to try different angles when taking a picture, because that can actually spice up your creativity. By having to take pictures on the same eye level all the time can actually make your pictures quite boring. So every time try to take from different angles as much as you can and try to see how that can actually make different pictures. These are pictures that were taken by just same level, eye level, and just look at these pictures that are actually taken from a very different angles. This one, nice, perfect, wow. Look the different mix. So always consider angles when taking pictures. Tip number 5, forget flash. Yes, you heard me, forget flash. Flash can actually make your face to be quite so much flat or eat away all the details you wanna see. And the last bonus tip is editing. Editing can actually help you to get so much from your image and make them have a certain style that you want. And I will also wanna link down the software that you can actually download to edit your pictures. And other than that, if you like this video and would like to see more videos, please consider subscribing, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much. This is it.